we are going to be setting up our math folders and our math books so that we know whose is whose and you have somewhere organized to keep everything. So you're going to need a few supplies. You're going to need a blue folder that Mrs. Richards gives you. This is your math folder all year long. It does not leave our classroom. It stays here for you to keep your math stuff in here at school. You are going to need a math book. Again, this also stays here at school. If you need to take a page out of it to take it home, take the page. Don't take your whole math book and have your math book get lost. A page can go home, your math book cannot. But if you use your time wisely in class, you really shouldn't have to take things home. So you need math book and math folder, and then we're going to label them because everybody's are going to look the same. So you're going to come and see Mrs. Richards and you're going to get 2 labels that say your name, not mine. Say your name, your name. You need 2 of them, one for your folder, one for your math book. And then you need a finished label and a working on label. Sorry, these are backwards, but you get the idea. So with your first name label, you are going to take it, you're going to put it on your math book. We're just going to stick it right down here on the bottom cover right here. So when you pull it out of your cubby, you can easily see that it is yours. So right here on the bottom of your math book. Then you're going to take your next name label. So make sure your folder is the right way. So when I open it up, it's the right way. It's not upside down. So mine's correct. So I'm going to put my other name label right here at the bottom as well, just like we did our math book. So there's my name label. And then we're going to open it. And I know this is backwards to you guys, but find your right. This is my right because it has 5 fingers. This is my left because it has 4. So even though it's going to look backwards, so when you're looking at it, your right side is going to be your finished side. And then your left side is going to be your done side or your work side. Those were the same. Finished on the right, working on the left. Left, working on, right, finished. So we're going to take that. Here's my left one because it has 4 fingers. And on the left side, I'm going to stick that right on the pocket right here. So as I'm working on different assignments, I keep them here. And then when I finish them, I move them back here. And then at the end of the unit, you take everything out of your finished side, turn it in. So your folder is always going to be pretty clean. So here's your working on. So this is what you're currently doing. So you don't have to sort through everything. And then get your right side finished, stick it on that pocket here. So when I first open it, so here's my name, I open it, this is what I'm working on, these are things I'm finished, I turn it all in. Really quick, let's talk about how to use these little prongs. So I know lots of you'd like to take them, open, split them, that's going to make them break. So several times during the year, you're going to get papers that are hole punched. They stay in your folder all year long. They're your notes. They do not leave your folder. So to use these, I just like to pop them up and see how they are kept together. They are not split open. Kept together. Keep it together. Keep it together. We are not splitting them. That just makes it hard to put the paper on. Keep it together. Together. We want our lives together. We want our prongs together. Okay? So then you can put the paper on. So I can put my paper in. So it goes in between the 2 little things here. So in between, I put it down onto there. I fold the second one over. That's right. It's in between here. In between here. And then I keep my prongs together. We're not splitting them together. See, I just pushed them one way. Together. And it doesn't matter if they go up or down. Together, together, together. That way, next time I want to put a new paper on, I just push them up and they're still together and it's easy to get the paper on, okay? All right, so when you have your folder, won't have paper in it yet, so get your folder, get your math book labeled. When you have that, you're going to come and get a little clip that has your name on it. You're going to find a friend in our class because we do have to share cubbies. We have like 63 cubbies and I have 120 students. So I'm gonna need you to share. Okay, so find a friend that you can share with, and the only things that are going in your cubbies is a folder and a math book. That's it. If you have a paper It better be related to math, and it goes in the folder. It does not get shoved in your cubby. I will throw it away if I see it. Okay? Folder, math book, get a clip. I will help you put the clip on your cubby with a partner. Go.